got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better.
Cari monku.
I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say
Cari monku.
really complicated. That only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around.
Hello.
But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah. You got a body like a coke thing.
Monku.
She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Cari monku.
I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like
Monku.
had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from